God, I've been wearing this all day long. If you're not wearing a waist trainer, girl, I don't know where you at. All right, this one is by Shapelex. As you can see, this has this outer layer. It has boning here on the sides and on the back, adjustable straps here, and look at this is how it looks all the way. It goes all the way up your back. This is an internal corset. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the fupa to keep that like nice and in place. I just had to size down to a medium. Thank you, because I started with a large. So I'm now on the first row. This has 3 rows. Once you get to that last row, then it's time to size down. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. This is one of my absolute favorite fajas. I actually have 3 of these because when one is dirty, I just kind of go to the next one and I just hand wash it. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, look at the internal boning. If you have posture problems or back problems, I highly suggest that you get this. Okay, I'll leave this one linked below, and it has the Shapelex logo so you know it's authentic.